Genetic modification is one of the most fascinating yet controversial topics throughout the scientific community, with countless questions about the ethics surrounding the technology. But how exactly does genetic modification work? A recent invention, CRISPR Cas9, has been absolutely critical to its advancement, turning hundreds of days into a few weeks and vast sums of money into a tiny bit. CRISPR Cas9 has been absolutely instrumental to the growth and potential of genetic modification. Cas9 is an incredibly complex protein naturally produced by bacteria. It is part of their immune system, used as protection from many viruses. By injecting their DNA into the bacterium, they can take advantage of the bacterium's cellular machinery that uses the virus DNA blueprint to construct more viruses. They then dissolve the bacterium's cellular membrane, killing it, and infect a new bacterium, repeating the process. This is where Cas9 comes in, protecting the bacterium from the invading viral DNA. If a bacterium survives an attack from a virus, it stores the genetic code of the attacker in RNA form. If a virus like that attacks again, Cas9 uses this guide RNA, finds the viral DNA in the bacterial genome, and cuts it out, protecting the bacterium. Cas9 is almost like a pair of molecular scissors. But what does this have to do with genetic modification? Biologists have harnessed this remarkable enzyme, and using guide RNA, they can select any gene within the human genome. The Cas9 cuts this snippet of DNA away, leaving a gap open for a new segment of genetic code to be inserted. This is an incredibly powerful technology. Genetic modification has the potential to do incredible things for our health, allowing us to cure devastating diseases and prevent life-threatening genetic disorders. Many biologists even argue that genetic modification could end disease. A combination of editing embryos in order to strengthen the immune system cells and injections of these stronger cells into people could potentially do this. Although it may seem like pure science fiction, injections and embryonic editing could completely wipe out diseases like malaria and Zika, protecting our bodies. In the not very distant future, a minor shot could prevent cancer, with enhanced cells able to efficiently hunt and kill cancerous cells. These enhanced immune cells could revolutionize medicine forever. But modifying just the cells of our immune system isn't fulfilling the potential of CRISPR-Cas9. We can alter entire people. We could make designer babies. There are countless arguments sparking throughout the scientific community about this topic. Firstly, many argue that it's unethical to edit who your child will be, and enhancing brains could create an even wider gap between the rich and the poor. However, countless others make the counter-argument that it's unethical not to genetically modify our future generations. Modifying people who would have suffered from genetic disorders could prevent years of suffering. Conversely, we are simply at the top of the iceberg with the human genome, an incredibly complex thing. Editing a single gene could have unexpected consequences that could be fatal to the body. But enhancing babies could bring humanity a golden generation, with increased IQ levels, longevity, immunity to disease, super strength, and enhanced metabolism, and much more. However, it may bring discrimination and conflict between modified people and normal ones. Genetic modification is an absolutely incredible technology, capable of allowing humanity to do remarkable feats, with the potential to end disease, increase our brain power, and more extraordinary things. However, genetic modification could have horrific unknown consequences, capable of destroying a vast population. But no matter what, genetic modification will have a vast impact on the world. We obviously didn't cover everything within genetic modification in this video, so we'll make a few other videos on things like GMO food and gene drive in other videos. Thanks so much to Quickfire for recommending this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as usual, always dig